Her legacy lives on through every life she touched, every cause she supported, and every heart she inspired. Diana was more than just a princess. She was a symbol of hope, courage, and love, a beacon that continues to shine brightly even today. So as you go forward in your life, remember Diana's message. When life gets tough, when the road seems impossible, now that you have the strength to rise again. Now that kindness, compassion, and love are the greatest tools you have to make a difference in the world. Diana's life wasn't perfect, but it was beautiful in its imperfection. In its true, she showed us a beauty in its truest form is found in the earth, and that is a lesson we will carry with us forever. Princess Diana's story is one of resilience, love, and kindness. She may not be with us today, but her legacy continues to inspire millions. Her life reminds us that even in our darkest moments, we can find light and hope. So take inspiration from her journey. No matter what you face, you have the power to overcome it with strength, grace, and a keen heart. This is the end of Princess Diana's story for now, but her legacy will live on in all of us. Let her life be a reminder to live with purpose, to be kind, and to always find strength in the face of adversity.